is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's started. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Hey, have too many Legos lying around your house not doing anything but causing foot pain? Do you just want a way to get rid of these Legos? Well, with a donation to the FRHS Lego Club, now you can.
I want to donate to Lego Club, but I don't have any Legos.
Great question. If you don't have Legos but still want to support us, we accept money donations as well.
Well, my mom gave me all this green stuff to buy lunch with, but I see Lego Club needs it more than me.
Absolutely, so donate any Legos that are not needed starting today to October 14th in the comments. We'll also accept them in room N103. Even if you can't donate, we are always bringing in new members to Lego Club, which, including today, is every other Friday during lunch in N103.
Hey bro, are you going to homecoming tomorrow?
Oh no, man, I might not be going to homecoming.
You were gonna ask that one girl, right?
Oh yeah, I just don't feel like I have enough time to do it.
She's right there. Go!
Hey, Caroline, do you want to go to homecoming with me tomorrow?
Yeah, sure.
All
Sounds
right,
like
cool.
a lot of fun.
Alright, cool, I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Shoot, it's homecoming tonight. I gotta get ready. Here's it. Here's it. I don't have tickets yet. I just got. That's good enough.